Welcome back. We're doing a food review on Domino's pizza delivery today. That's odd. Don't usually do one on delivery, but I ordered a pizza 1 hour and 1 minute ago. I ordered it at 3:09 p.m. And I don't know if you can see the time or not. It's 4:10. Still ain't here. The tracker that you get on your phone when you order the pizza says at 3:26 that it was being checked for quality or whatever. I don't know the exact words they use, but I have a screenshot of it, and I will include it on this video. But don't know if they got a guarantee or not on delivery time. Everything I'm looking at on the internet says 30-minute delivery is free. The bill on it was like $21 and something. I ordered that and some cheesy bread, cheesy something. That's something. I don't know. I don't do that kind of stuff. I just did it because I got a deal on it for ordering something extra, and I'm not a big bread person when it comes to ordering stuff with pizza, but guess what? I ordered it just to get the deal. It's got some kind of spinach and something in it. Anyway, we'll see in a little bit if it ever shows up. And when they get here, I'm going to ask them about the guarantee, and we'll see how it goes from there. But I think an hour is kind of a little long to be waiting on a pizza. What y'all think? It's Sunday evening. It's not a Super Bowl weekend. There might be some football games on today. I don't know. I don't even know if it's football season. For all I know, it's baseball season. So, well, guess what? The internet's wrong. Old boy says they ain't got no delivery guarantee. They ain't had it for years. But you look on the internet, it's on there. I will include it in my video as a screenshot. So this thing has been on CPR since about 23 minutes after 3. It's 4:15 right now. The pizza just arrived. I got a mess on my table, but and the bread. And I asked the boy, I said, I think an hour is a little long to be waiting on a pizza. And he just acted like it wasn't no big deal. It's not real hot. It is warm, but it's not hot. Not horrible. You know me. I'm going to call it like I see it. It's a meat lover's pan pizza. Tastes pretty good, but like I say, it's not real hot. But ain't real happy with that wait time. That was over an hour to wait for a pizza. And I know it's been sitting there under a lamp since 23 after, because that's what my tracker said. And right now it's 4:16. He's been gone about 2 minutes. So you tell me, what do you think? So I'm gonna eat on this pizza and this bread a little bit and see what it tastes like, and I'll give you a review in a few minutes. Y'all stay tuned. What is it with darn pizza places? I don't know, make me want to blow a gasket. Pizza Hut not too long ago, now it's Domino's. I will show you this. I didn't eat it all. That's only a medium pizza. I can eat a lot of pizza. Cheesy bread ain't fit to eat. It's cold. I might have to give him a 3. It says clearly on the website I looked on, I'll show it to you in the video, that 30 minutes are free. That boy says that ain't been in effect for a long time. But, that ain't what it shows on the internet. I got documented proof that my receipt was received at around 3:09. I imagine it took a little lag time in there. It was probably 3:07, 3:08, but we're not gonna split hairs here. My email said 3:09. And around 23 minutes after, don't quote me on that, but it was somewhere around there, It was being quality checked by Michaela, is what it says on the little progress report that you get there, or timer. And that thing just stopped working. I guess it timed out because after a while it just didn't do anything anymore. It didn't show out for delivery or anything. Or received at around 4:12, 4:13, somewhere along in there. I think that's unacceptable. Pizza was cold. I just wasn't real happy with the service. So I did go on their website and I did file a complaint. Who knows what good it'll do. I'll put my email address and my phone number down there. Maybe they'll send me some coupons. Maybe they won't. But it wasn't horrible service. I wasn't treated like a second-class citizen or anything like that. They didn't try to overcharge me. They just didn't want to make it good, according to the delivery driver. And if it would have been me, I'd have picked up the phone and said, hey, man, this man's pretty mad that his pizza's an hour. Now, I did receive something on my email that said 45 to 55 minutes for delivery. That's okay with me, as long as you make it before it comes out the door. Don't put it on CPR for 30 minutes before it gets to me. That's just the way I feel about it. So I'm gonna give them a 3. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until the next time, we'll see you later.